Oh yeah, it's Davis. I wanna love, oh. Even if love is blind, I want to love, oh. Even if not scam, I don't tire for this love. Links, see as my heart they beat.
Hey friends, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I have a new wig for you guys today, and this wig does come from CurlyMe, and they are available on Amazon Prime. And if you guys are interested, I'll have all the details and links located in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. So I know you guys are kind of getting small little glimpse of the color. Yes, I love a good colored wig. So I have this one, which is their newest balayage highlighted, kind of like a 4/27 color, kinky curly wear and go lace wig. Yes, this wig does have the 7x5-inch high definition lace. It has their new upgraded cap, which has the C ear design for comfort in your ears. It has the breathable, stretchy cap. It also has the removable combs. So just in case you guys aren't too fond of the combs, y'all can take that out and go on with the business. So right now, as usual, I kind of like to prep my wig just to where it is ready to go. This is totally unnecessary. Once again, this is a wear and go wig, but y'all know me, I like to kind of redefine the curls, get the hairline to kind of fit what I'm looking for. So I did decide to pull out some baby hairs. I brushed all the hair back. I'm gonna throw on an elastic band just to kind of allow that to dry in place. Now I'm gonna work on the rest of the hair. I'm just spritzing it down with water until it's drenched. Then I'm gonna apply a little bit of my foamy wrap mousse, followed by my 808 gel. If you guys are interested in anything that I'm using throughout this video, I'll be sure to leave a link down in the description box as well. So once again, I'm just applying that all over the hair. I'm going to go in using my Alicia Leatherwood detangling brush, and I'm just going to define those curls. I wanted some nice juicy curls with this unit. So I'm going to go ahead and finish doing that, and I'll see you guys once I'm done. So I let the wig sit and air dry overnight, and this is what the curls are looking like. Gonna remove that little elastic band, and everything is dry and ready to go. Everything is set in place. Y'all, this unit looks so good. I'm so excited about it. So here is the lace. It's a tad bit too light for my skin tone, so I'm going to go in using my Sally Hansen airbrush legs. I just kind of like to apply that to a napkin and just kind of dip my brush into it before I apply it to the lace, just to where not a whole lot is being applied to the lace, because it's going to make it look really dark. But that is good to go. We're ready to go. So now I'm going to go ahead and get the wig on and see exactly what we're working with. So now that I have the wig on, I'm going to go in using my Ebin lace adhesive. Now this is a glueless lace wig, but y'all know I kind of like to use like a temporary hold when it comes down to my wigs, just to where it's not going to lift, it's not going to slide off or anything like that. I allowed that to sit for about 15 minutes, and yeah, I'm going to go in using this black hair concealer. This stuff is generally used for gray hairs. I kind of like to use this on colored hairs. It kind of makes the part pop, and it kind of gives like that grown out root look, and then on top of that, it matches really well with my eyebrows. So I'm going to use my edge brush just to kind of blend everything in, to kind of get rid of that harsh demarcation line. Then I'm going to take a wide tooth comb and go to town, y'all. I'm going to really fluff out those curls. We're gonna grow some volume. I love big voluminous hair. And now we are done. Y'all, check out this hair. I love the color. Now this is definitely a summer colored wig, but y'all, I'm gonna be wearing this all throughout the fall. Might even wear it during the winter time. Y'all can't tell me not to. But you guys, this is definitely a melanated girl's dream. The color just flows so nicely in with my brown skin tone. And for all of my brown skin girls out there, whether you're dark skin or lighter toned, get this one right here. This unit, the color is absolutely gorgeous. It has a lot of 4 in it and just a very subtle highlight 27. That's not going to make it look too crazy. And y'all know me, I like to play it safe when it comes to colors, but this is definitely a winner for myself. Now again, you guys do check out CurlyMe. They are available on Amazon Prime. I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below, and just in case you guys are interested, be sure to check that out and let me know what you guys think about this unit, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Love you guys. Bye.